Hey Spuds, while contemplating this distance learning thing, I decided I want to introduce information via video and use my student contact time to answer questions and monitor progress. So today, I'd like to show you how to make a video with Screencastify and Google Slides. I've tested this and it works on both Chromebooks and laptops. Before you begin, there's some things to consider. First, make your Google Slide presentation, obviously. Make sure you have Screencastify added to your Chrome browser. I think the district did this for us a while ago. And plan ahead. The free Screencastify account limits you to a 5-minute video. Your options are to make multiple short videos or buy the Pro account for unlimited length videos. So here's the steps you should follow. First, open the Google Slide presentation you want to share. Select the title slide. Then, click on the Screencastify icon in your Chrome browser. You'll see a little drop-down appear where you select the desktop icon and enable your mic. I don't enable my webcam. Click on the blue record button. It won't start recording yet. It will bring you to a options window titled Share Your Screen. Select the application window. Highlight the tab with your presentation open and click Share. Now you need to work fast. You'll have 3 seconds of beeping in which you have time to click the present button for your slideshow and start making your video. Once you're done clicking through and making your video, click the stop button at the bottom. The Chromebook says stop sharing. Once you click stop, your video will process and automatically upload to your Google Drive and will bring you to a window that looks like this. From here, you can change the title in the upper left corner to something that's more recognizable. Or you can use the menu bar on the right where you can copy the shareable link to email out to people, or you have options to share directly to Classroom or YouTube, or if you want, download the video and email it out directly. Happy video making!